Today a quick video about the Canon A-series and how to do a battery check. This one works for the AE-1 program, the AE-1 without a program, the AV probably not so common, that model, the A1 and all the other models from the A-series. So I have 4 batteries here, 4 LR44s. I can't see them. Here are they. So, and to do the battery check, of course, insert a battery without damaging this door, of course. And this is the first battery we will put in. I leave the door open. And to do a battery check, just press this button here, and then the sound and the number of the beeps per second the camera makes indicates the status of the battery. So if I press it, you hear it. When I press, there comes a little beep. Don't look at the dirt of the camera. I will clean this camera up. It's my next video. To see it, of course, follow me. Oh, now the sound was a bit longer, so like this is not sufficient. This battery goes straight to the bin. We have this one. Put this one in. Oh, one long beep. Very short beep. Like this battery has some more juice than the other one, but this isn't sufficient too. Let's put in this one. Press the button again. You hear it's about 2 beeps per second. That means you should replace your camera soon. I don't know if the camera is still working now, because like this one is jammed here. It's just for demonstration now. This is the new battery. Put this one in. And now you will hear how it should sound. If you hear this on public transport, run. If you hear this on your Canon camera, that's fine.